Hey everyone, how's it going? In today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to draw a cartoon version of Doug from Godzilla. If you like these videos, make sure to turn on the notifications and subscribe so I can keep making fun content for you. So thanks for watching, and I hope you enjoy. Now to start off with our cartoon version of Doug, let's begin by making the nose. So I want to start right here, and we're going to begin by making a line that's going to come up. It's going to go over and then down, just like this. Next, starting here, we're going to make the eyebrows. So we're going to draw a line that's going to come out like this at an angle. And then we're going to do the same thing over here. We're going to come out at an angle. Make this one just a little longer. Next, I'm going to curve this line in, and we'll do the same thing over here. Just curve this line right in. Next, I'm going to draw a line that's just going to come over like this with kind of a curve to make the top of the head. Now for the eyes, I'm going to start by drawing a line that's just going to curve down. We're going to get really close to the nose and up. Same thing here. We'll start by the nose first. We'll just kind of go down and then curve it up to here. Then inside of here, I'm going to make another circle shape. And same thing in here. Just make another circle shape. Now for the nostrils, let's just color in a little oval on each side. Now let's make the mouth. I'm going to start right here, and I'm going to make a line that's just going to come down. We're going to go over, then we'll go up and out like this. Next, starting here, we're going to curve a line down on each side. Then I'm going to curve a line that's going to come out and in on each side. We're just going to go out and in. Then I'm going to make a line that's just going to go down, over, and then up. We'll just make sure we connect it there. Now, up here on the head, let's go ahead and make a couple little bumps like this. We'll put 1, 2, and 3 for a little texture. Do the same thing here. Just go 1, 2, and 3 little bumps. I'm also going to add a couple little lines on the side here for some detail. And then a little line underneath each eye like this. Next, let's add some teeth. So we'll put a couple little triangles here. Then we'll do a couple back here. Then I'm going to put a few underneath here. Just like that. Now, let's work on the arms. So I'm going to start right here, and I'm just going to begin by making a line that's going to come out and then straight down. Same thing here. We're going to go out and then straight down. Now for the toes, we're going to come out to a point and back. Then we'll do that again. We'll do it again right here. And then one more right here. Now we'll do it on this side too. We're going to come down and back in. We'll go down to a point and back in. Do it again right here. And then one more right here. Next, I'm going to bring this over and then up here. And same thing, over and then up. Then we'll make a little line that curves across. And then let's make another one that's just going to go up and down here. Next, let's put a little curve across each toe right here to make it look like he has claws. So we'll just make that little curve right across here. Now, out here, I'm just going to make a line that's going to come out and then down. And same thing here, we're going to go out and then down for his legs. And then right here, I'm going to make a line that's going to come up and then back down for his tail. And then let's make a couple little bumps on here for some spikes. I'm also going to add a little line right here for the bottom of his tail. Next, let's add a couple little lines like this. Just add a little bit of detail on his legs. So we're just going to add a few of these little lines here. We'll also put 3 little ones on the knees as well. And there you go, there is your drawing of a cartoon version of Doug. I'm going to fast forward and start coloring this. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed.